Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the border tag. We can use the border tags to border our elements, photos, and text and makes our site much more beautiful. For example, I write the div tag inside the body tag. Okay, div opening and closing, and then I write the style tag in head tag. Style opening and closing with slash. Okay, and then I write my tag name, that's div opening and closing. Okay, I want to change my background color. I write the background dash color. For example, yellow, and I write width 200 px and height 2000 px. 200, sorry. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Okay, this is my div tag. Okay, well, now we want to draw a margin around this tag. To do this, we use the border tag. Okay, I write this tag border, and this tag takes three values from us. The first value is for thickness my border, and this value is in px. For example, 10 px. The second value of this tag is related to the border color. For example, red. And you can enter this value in RGB. The last value is related to the shape and type of the margin. You can enter this value is in solid and dotted. And of course, there are different forms. Okay, for example, dotted. Okay, I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. Okay, and you can use these values separately. For example, if you want the top border, this is top border, to have a different color, you can use the border dash top dash color tag. Okay, I deleted border dash top dash color, and in here I can write a color, for example, blue. I save it. I open my web browser. Now you can see that's work, because I must write the border and we must write a thickness, for example 10 px, and write a dot. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Now you can see top the border is blue, and in here I write the border dash bottom dash color, for example red, and border dash right dash color green, and the last one border dash left dash color. Okay, and we can write them green too. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. For example, if you want to change the shape of the top border, you can use the border dash top dash style tab. Okay, I write this tag for you. Border dash top dash style. For example, solid, and I write border dash bottom dash style. For example, dotted. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work, and I write the border. For better understanding, I write another example. Okay, left dash style equal to the solid. I save it, I open my web browser again. Now you can see that's work. Okay, you can use this structure for different sides of the border. You can use the border dash width tag to change the thickness of different sides of the border. I write this tag for you. Border dash top, for example, width. Okay, and in here I write a value in px, for example 5px. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. And I write this tag again, border dash left dash width p5px. So I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button. Goodbye.